A new horizon for manufacturers working together across Europe and potentially the world. The French-German Institute for Industry of the Future have brought together concepts like digital twins, virtual reality, and artificial intelligence for a project known as XIRCON. They aim to help industry reduce complicated technical reconfigurations by up to 58%. For example, this would allow production lines to change setups and produce different products more smoothly and quickly.
We want to develop a human-centered system in the XIRCON approach, which will help human operators on-site to adapt their manufacturing system to continuously changing requirements.
The French-German Institute for Industry of the Future is a collaboration between two renowned European institutes, the Karlsruher Institute of Technology in Germany and Métiers in France. Jean-Rémy Chardonnay from Métiers says the XIRCON project arose from close collaboration between the two institutes working with the latest technology.
The idea is really to match and to search the competencies where we need them. We always try to be beyond what is existing already, because it's our job to do research and to be one step further in the existing technologies.
A human-centered approach along with knowledge and technology transfer make up two of the three key components of the collaboration. The other is sustainability. Professor Dziwka Oczkarova says that with fewer resources going forward, industry of the future must adapt.
We can adapt to continuous changes only having a model of a real ecosystem. This means to combine the aspects of sustainability, technology, society and environment.
Through this cross-border collaboration, XIRCON aims to push the very boundaries of manufacturing innovation.